Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a chit chat style, something a little more chill, just one girlfriend to another talking about laser hair removal. Oh my goodness. This video is one of the most exciting videos I have filmed in a very long time, and that's saying a lot because I film a lot, okay? But I have the honor of working with the company called Kenzie, which is this bad boy. I'm sure you guys have seen them all over social media, but me and Kenzie actually go back way back to when I was pregnant. They reached out to me and they wanted to work with me, but obviously when you're pregnant you can't do any sort of laser hair removal, so I had to wait until after baby Lincoln was here, and 9 months later here we are. If you guys just want to sit back and talk about hair and laser, and I'm actually going to tell you a really funny story involving waxing. You don't want to miss it, so make sure you stay tuned, grab your cafecito, and let's get into it. Like I mentioned earlier, me and Kenzie go way back. When they reached out to me, I think I was maybe like 6 months pregnant, and I wanted to work with them so bad. I was like, please reach out to me later on. Like, I would love to work with you. I can't do it right now because I'm pregnant, and for sure they did. Funny story, I've been wanting to get laser hair removal for a very long time, but honey, it is not in my budget, okay? It's very expensive. It's very time consuming. I'm a mama of 2 babies and 2 fur babies, so I just don't have the time for that. And plus, like, just having to go get laser hair removal, especially down there, like, to me that's just embarrassing. Call me weird, call me whatever, but I couldn't do it. So I get to do this at the comfort of my own home, at my privacy, at my time, whenever I want to. So let me tell you a little bit about this beauty right here, because she is my current obsession. This is actually the original box that I came in, and it's just a really cute, sleek, white packaging with this cute little feather, and it just says Kenzie, the premium hair removal handset. When you open it, it actually gives you instructions, and it's so easy. I am the worst at following instructions. If I can do it, you can do it. And then obviously inside you're going to get your products, and then it comes with a really long cord. I thought it was really cool that it includes right here like the skin tones I can actually use it, and I'll tell you what setting I'm using it at right now. But in case you're wondering what IPL means, it's intense pulse lighting, and this is a broader spectrum, so it covers a larger area. For right now I'm only doing my armpits because I want to see the results first, and then I'm going to move on to maybe my legs because my legs are super sensitive, and then eventually my arms, and then probably the bikini area, but that one honestly scares me a little bit. And not only does it help with hair, but also if you have sun damage, dark spots, or wrinkles, hello me, that will also help with that. I know that the holidays are coming up so quick, so if you guys want to add this to like your wish list, if you want your husband to get it for you, or if you want to get it yourself, treat yourself, queen, you can use my discount code OMG50 and it'll save you $50 off your Kenzie purchase. So really quick, let's get into why I started using it and what I've seen so far. So I'm going to insert a picture which is very TMI, but the reason why I personally wanted to really try this, I suffer from extremely sensitive skin underneath my armpits. So this is what my underarms, I guess I'm gonna say underarms, armpits sound a little nasty, but this is what my underarms look like right now, and they're still a little bit dark. I am only 3 weeks in, and as you can see, I have a little bit of redness here and here, and that's because the razor just really irritates my skin. I've tried every razor that there is at the drugstore. I tried sensitive, I've tried with 3 blades to 5 blades, like every single blade that there is out there, different brands. Nothing works for me. I've tried with shaving creams, shaving gels, shaving mousses. I've tried so many things, you guys, and my skin is just so sensitive. I am on level 3 now. You plug this one at the bottom, and then on the back here it has this little like start button, and can you guys hear this? So that's when you know it's on. On this side it has like a pink or like a little red light. Can you guys see that? And here you're just going to push it to whatever level you want. Again, you want to keep this in hand to make sure that you're following the instructions depending on your skin tone on what level you want to go with. They do recommend for you to start with level 1 and then work your way up. And also level 5 is supposed to be the most effective. So I'm really excited to get to that point. I'm only going to do one little shot because I already lasered my armpits, my underarms last night. So all you want to do is go into the area that you want to do, and then you just press it. And you can't see the light, but I can actually see it. And you just go all over the area that you want to treat. And you can go over the area up to 3 times, which it's really awesome. Also, make sure that you shave before you do it. And I would recommend for you to even exfoliate. I love the Tree Hut exfoliators. You can get them pretty much anywhere. So just go in, shave, exfoliate. Don't apply anything. Just let your underarms dry. I almost said armpits. Your underarms dry out, and then go in and do the laser hair removal. I almost forgot to mention that you do want to make sure that you do a patch test. I did a little bit on my arms to make sure I wasn't going to be like allergic to it or my skin was going to react a certain way, and I was totally fine. But please make sure that you do a little patch test before you go in all the way. Also make sure that you shave before you do it, and I would recommend for you to even exfoliate. I love the Tree Hut exfoliators. You can get them pretty much anywhere. So just go in, shave, exfoliate. Don't apply anything. Just let your underarms dry. I almost said armpits. Your underarms dry out, and then go in and do the laser hair removal. I don't apply anything. I usually do my treatments at night, and then the next morning I will go in with my deodorant. It won't burn if you go in with deodorant right away. At least it hasn't for me. But I usually just like let my armpits, kind of like my armpit, I usually like to let my underarms just breathe for the rest of the night, and then in the morning I will go in with my deodorant. So again, this is just a product that I can't believe I'm working with them. I'm really excited and thankful to Kenzie for choosing me to work with them. And yeah, I mean, I've had horror stories with waxing, which funny story, like I had said, this was a long time ago. This was maybe like 2-3 years ago, maybe even longer. I wanted to start waxing because, again, I have really sensitive skin and I didn't want to go anywhere to get waxed because I'm just very shy. I just don't like people looking at me. So I decided to start waxing at home. Started waxing my underarms. Everything was going fine. I don't think I knew how to wax, honestly, because every time I would do it, I would make my underarms bleed. One time I told my then boyfriend, now husband, Brian, I was like, babe, what do you think if I started waxing down there? He's like, yeah, I'll help you. Well, I didn't ask him what he thought. I asked him if he would help me because I just didn't know how that situation worked. So one thing led to another, and I applied the wax in the bikini area, and oh my goodness, I don't know what I did wrong, but let's just say that I had not shaved in a while. So there were things growing longer than usual. And I don't think I applied enough wax. By the time I had to rip it off, it had dried and there was patchiness everywhere. Oh my goodness. I have never experienced such a painful thing. Like, not even childbirth was that painful, okay? It was embarrassing. It was painful. I was crying. I didn't know what to do. I ended up having to like shave. I messed up the razor. It was just one horror story, okay? Never again did I decide to wax, and laser hair removal was the next best thing, but it just wasn't in the budget. And now here we are with Kenzie, and I hope this is going to be my lifesaver because I will never wax again. If you guys want to see like a full update in like 12 weeks, you're supposed to see full results in 12 weeks, which I am so excited. I can already see a little bit of a difference with the way that the hair has grown. I feel like it's taken longer usually. I shaved last night. By today, I would already have hair in here, and right now it's really smooth. So I have seen a difference in the way the hair has grown, and it's not as coarse as it was before I started using this. because I was just shaving. So obviously it would grow back really thick. And I'm just excited because now that I live in Texas, like it's so hot. All I want to wear is like cute tank tops like this. And before, I felt so insecure to wear anything that showed my underarms because I knew how dark they were. And I mean, has it ever happened to you that if you're talking to somebody that is, you know, showing their underarms, and if they just put their arms up, you naturally gravitate, like your eyes just naturally gravitate towards their underarms, even if you don't mean to, it just happens. And that would make me so self-conscious. So I'm really excited to keep using this product. And again, if you guys want to see an updated video, maybe in like 12 weeks or longer, then definitely let me know. So yeah, you guys, I mean, I don't know what else to say besides you need this in your life. Think of it as an investment for yourself, okay? Because you are investing in your future. If you suffer from discoloration on your face, from sun damage, if you have wrinkles, or if you just want to get rid of unwanted hair, us Latinas, us Mexicanas, we are hairy girls, and this is going to be so life-saving. I promise you that you will not regret your purchase. So that is my little story and my little horror story with waxing, and why I no longer want anything to do with waxing. I don't ever want to shave again in my life. Yeah, check out Kenzie, you guys, and definitely let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And if you're going to be picking this one up, don't forget to use my discount code OMG50. That is it for this like chit chats style slash waxing gone wrong story. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you check out the description box because I have all the links and the discount code that you can use at Kenzie. So shout out to the Kenzie team for believing in me, and thank you guys for making this possible. I love you all. Stay safe, stay blessed, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.